Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 1.2 of Unit 1. What is Forex? In this lesson, we're going to cover the Forex market hours and trading sessions. By the end of this video, you will understand how the Forex market operates and why it's important to know the different trading sessions. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means you can trade Forex at any time from Monday to Friday. However, it's closed on weekends, so you can't trade on Saturdays and Sundays. There are 4 main trading sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Each session has its own open and close times, which are based on a GMT time zone. Understanding these sessions is crucial for your trading success. The Sydney trading session is the first to open, and it's followed by the Tokyo session. The Sydney session is open from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and it's a relatively quiet session compared to the others. The Tokyo trading session is open from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and it's known for its volatility. Many traders prefer to trade during the Tokyo session, as it offers a lot of opportunities for profit. The London trading session is one of the busiest sessions, and it's open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Many European currencies, such as the euro and the pound, are actively traded during this session. The New York trading session is the last to close, and it's open from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. This session is known for its high liquidity, and many traders prefer to trade during this time. When 2 or more sessions overlap, it creates a period of high liquidity and volatility. The most notable overlap is between the London and New York sessions, which is the most liquid and active period of the day. Certain currency pairs tend to move more during their home session. For example, the euro to US dollar pair is more active during the London and New York sessions, as these are the sessions where the euro and the US dollar are most traded. Another example is the Australian dollar to US dollar pair, which is more active during the Sydney and Tokyo sessions. This is because the Australian dollar is most traded during these sessions, and the price movement is more significant. Session overlap is important because it creates a period of high liquidity and volatility. This means that there are more buyers and sellers in the market, which leads to better quality price moves and more opportunities for profit. That is everything for Lesson 1.2, the Forex market hours and trading sessions. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.